Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie makeup brands. Today's video is all about the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for January. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Give the video a thumbs up, also if you like what you see. And don't forget that you can become a channel member by clicking the join button down below. And I do thank you in advance and thank you to all of my channel members. If you're unfamiliar with the Ipsy Glam Bag, the OG Ipsy Glam Bag is $13 a month. You receive a small makeup, cosmetics bag, and 5 travel try me size items, and you get to pick one of those 5 items in your choice. Occasionally we get real lucky, Ipsy, and get a full-size product. And the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $28 for 5 full-size items. You get to pick 3 of your items for the Glam Bag Plus in your choice. This is my very first Ipsy Studios or PR box from Ipsy, so thank you in advance to Ipsy. Also, if you are somebody like myself and you do not like to get spoilers, this may not be the video for you, and I will see you when you get your own bag. And yes, I'll still be getting my paid for Ipsy Glam bag that I've gotten since 2015. So we are going to dive in. I'm so excited, you guys. I never in a million years thought I would be getting PR from Ipsy. So thank you again, Ipsy. How are you guys? Did you celebrate last night? Happy New Year. Okay, so it's just kind of thrown in here. I didn't know that. This is my first box. So it says Discover Yourself. There is some foam padding in here. So I'm going to go in with what I'm assuming is our standard glam bag. And holy crap, it's speaking to me. I'll show y'all in just a second. So this month's theme is Happy Vibes, January 2022. This month and year, make time for the things that make you smile. Soft pastel shadows, your favorite podcast, DIY mani. When you invest in bliss, the world becomes a brighter place. That is freaking cool. And then we have Ipsy Open Studios right here. And this does not obviously give us our pertinent deets the way that our paid for Ipsy would be, because this is a general idea of what you and I could get in our bags. The bag, y'all know I don't ever keep my Ipsy Glam bags unless I'm like obsessed with them. And I use them to just do giveaways and stuff. So first of all, it's pastel tie-dye, which, hello, how many shirts do I have that have this on it? And it's predominantly pink and yellow. I mean, hi, Ipsy, you made this for me. I know you did. And then it has a yellow pull tab, a little smiley face. And if you're new here, yellow and pink are my favorite colors. So I'm already excited as heck. So we're going to go into the standard glam bag. Keep in mind, again, this is $13 and we will receive 5 items. So this is an idea of the 5 items you or I can receive in our bag. Keeping this, love this, obsessed already with the bag. And you can also pick one of your products from the bag. So first up, I see something in some bubble wrap. And I only have on, just in the case I can test something out for you guys, I just have on my brows, some foundation, a little bit of powder. So we're going to try to test some things out if we have something to test out. So this is Shayna B. Miami. And it says Pressed Pigment Duo. This is Venetian Gray and Queen of Diamonds. Oh, that Queen of Diamonds sounds... That's beautiful. So it's a cute little cool tone duo with a glitter and a gray. Y'all know I'm not typically a pressed glitter type of fan, so I'm going to stick this right back in here. And of course, it's going to go in my Pay It Forward pile for you guys. Next up, I see a Lasting Smiles Polish Exfoliant Lip Scrub. Oh, I love lip scrubs. You guys know I love lip scrubs and lip treatments, so I will 100% use that. Next up, we have the Professional Light Primer. I think this is new. I've seen the glowy one, like the pearl one and the regular one. I'm not a fan of the regular one. This I may like. It's their new ultra lightweight face primer to minimize the look of pores. I may actually keep this, even though this particular type of a primer is not my favorite. I want to test the texture of this. Excited about that, y'all. Next is a Dew U, like D-E-W. Dew Tube, cruelty-free. I don't know what Dew Tube is. Oh, a hydrating lip gloss infused with olive and jojoba oils. The packaging on this is really, really nice. If I ever did get to do a brand, I love that this has the little pull tab so that it's easy open. And I'm not always a gloss person, but I do want to see what it looks like because sometimes they surprise me and I like them. Who am I? Also, ignore the background. Y'all know that Caleb just celebrated his 18th birthday, so he has friends over, so they're kind of sporadically, you know, throughout the house. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to use this, so I'll go ahead and put it in my pay it forward pile. It's a beautiful kind of peachy to gold duo chrome with a lot of shimmer in it. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that right back in here, and that'll also go in our pay it forward pile. And last but not least, in our regular Ipsy Glam bag is an Ico Black Magic Cocoa Edit liquid eyeliner, intense liquid eyeliner in the shade brown. And I'm also going to pass this along and put this in my pay it forward pile. I love liners, but you guys know with my allergies and things like that and sensitive eyes, I don't use them all the time, so we'll let somebody else take advantage of that. Now we're gonna dive into our Glam Bag Plus. Again, this is $28 for 5 full-size products, and you get to pick 3 of the 5 in your choice. And the bag is so stinking cute, y'all. I love the yellow freaking smiley face. And I will hold on to this one as well. I think this is super cute that you could travel with both of these when we're actually traveling. So first up, I see a Rose and Quartz hair mask. I believe we have gotten one of these before, like in a full-size tub. I'm not sure if it was Ipsy or Boxy. And clearly I shaved my head 7-8 months ago, so I don't really need this. So I'm also going to pass this along in my pay it forward pile for you guys. Next up is the Honey Jarrett lip sleeping mask with lemon and honey, made in Korea. Now that I can get on board with. I love lemon and I also love honey. The packaging is cute. I do want to open this and smell it since I am going to keep this. It smells like a little lemon head, which are one of my all-time favorite candies. Anybody else? If you love lemon heads, you are my people. Next up, I see a brush from Hip Dot, and it says Precise Brush, so it's more like a packer type brush, and it has a beautiful gradient on it. If the brush is as good quality or anywhere near as good quality as their palettes are, it's going to be a good brush. So of course this I'm going to absolutely keep. Next up, we have a Koa Life Mist Me Rejuvenating Toner. This has no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Improves the appearance of skin tone, reduces visibility of aging, nourishes and calms the skin, tones, firms, and tightens. Yes, please. I want to test this out. Y'all know I love toners and I love sprays, essences, any of that kind of stuff. The bottle is super cute and it's actually glass, so I'm intrigued to see how this works, and I'm also intrigued to see how much it costs. So shake it up. And I just want to test the mist and stuff like that. Obviously, I have a little bit of makeup, but it also says rejuvenating, so we shall see. Let's prime it first. Oh, nice. Very fine mist. I literally don't smell anything at all, so I do want to put it on the skin. Oh yeah, that mister's nice. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'll keep testing this and I'll update you guys, of course. And then last, but certainly not least, oh, kimchi. Y'all. It's a freaking setting spray. Well, it's the Kimchi Chic Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. Because it's matte, I think I'm also going to pay this forward and put it in my pay it forward pile. I did get a kimchi palette though from my friend Kate that I am so excited to test out. If you've tried anything from Kimchi, comment down below and let us know your favorite product. So there are a few things I'm going to keep. There are a few things that I'm really excited to keep. The bags are insane. I am so grateful to Ipsy. Thank you again to Ipsy and Ipsy Open Studios. Y'all saw that right? That little 4-legged drive-by. But thank you so much to Ipsy. They're definitely products I'm going to keep, and those things that I know that I will not keep, you guys know I try my best to not waste product, so they're going to go into a pay it forward pile for you guys. What did you guys think? What are you hoping to get in your bag? I want to know. Y'all know Mama's nosy. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.